Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of the Entrepreneur Hour. Today's topic, the top 5 things for being a successful project manager. Again, the top 5 things for being a successful project manager. I really think you guys are going to enjoy this one. Again, the 5 facts of life to live a full life: faith, fitness, friendship, finances, and fun. Today's episode is sponsored by Monday.com. Never switch project management software again. Try it for free. You can get a link for a free trial in the description below. Really, this is one of my favorite project management softwares out there. I've tried them all. I'll go into that in another video. All right, so welcome to the Entrepreneur Hour. We're all about educating, influencing, and empowering people to become entrepreneurs. Get that side hustle going. On this YouTube channel, I will share everything I've learned over my 20 plus year journey in being an active practitioner in personal development, business, entrepreneurship, small business, technology, marketing, personal finance, money management, investing, and real estate, just to name a few. I was able to bootstrap my way through business school, and I look forward to sharing with you the many lessons learned in the trenches so hopefully you don't make the same mistakes I made. Focus on progress, not perfection. I look forward to hearing about your next success story. Also, don't forget to check out our new apparel line. We got some very cool apparel lines that we've created. So we got Obsessed with Success hats, and we have the Entrepreneur Hour t-shirts out now. So definitely check those out in the description below, and you can get your hands on those. Just a quick quote here that I really love: entrepreneurship is living a few years of your life like most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life living like most people can't. And really love that quote there. All right, well, let's go ahead and jump into it. So, number one, people don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. And this really applies to when it comes to project management. Um, it's really key to have a plan. You want to identify, what is the strategy, what is the business goal, the business outcome for the project. What are some strategic initiatives? What are the tactics that you need to take? Map that out. It's all about execution. Execution is everything. Identify who the key players are for the project. Assign various tasks. Assign timing, and the time frame and timeline of how long these tasks are going to take in the project, and kind of backwards engineer. Um, is kind of what I do. Backwards engineer based on the due date, and then kind of backfill everything else. And having a good project management tool is key. So your setup, number two, setup and organization is really key in that aspect. And I recommend Monday.com. Use my link in the description below and get a free trial. But I've tried them all. I've tried Basecamp, I've tried Reich, I've tried Monday.com, I've tried Asana. I've tried, just using Google Docs, spreadsheets. I've done a lot of different project management over the years. I did 10 years of IT consulting and 10 years of marketing. And I will say that Monday.com is definitely my favorite project management tool thus far. It's very simple in nature, very easy to set up, has a lot of automation. You can get going fairly easy. Uh, it's a very easy learning curve compared to other project management softwares. So definitely recommend that one. All right, number three, the big F word, right? Follow up, right? Not that F word. I'm talking about follow up. Um, you're going to have to follow up with people. You're going to have to follow up with vendors. You're going to have to follow up with, other cross departmental team members. But you're definitely going to be following up a lot. And as a good project manager, you want to make sure you're following up on your tasks and making sure that you're hitting deadlines. Number four, closing the loop, right? Closing the loop. That's a big thing that separates the good project managers from the great project managers. Not only do they follow up, but they actually close the loop on things, right? They don't leave things hanging. They want to really get things done, right? So that's a critical success factor for a successful project manager. And then lastly, templates are your friend. Templates are your friend. So once you establish a successful project plan and template, you want to be able to use that and reuse that for various campaigns. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel, right? So really critical, making sure you're leveraging and utilizing templates, and that you can just basically create a new project, use your template, change a couple people in and out, change the timeline, and you're ready to go. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So I hope you found these 5 tips of being a successful project manager helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, you like this video, and check out my recommendations in the description below for Monday.com. And yeah, we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Lastly, I do want to break down my investments for you. I talk about investing as well on this channel. I focus on stocks, real estate, Roth IRA, mutual funds, 401k, Bitcoin, and savings, just to name a few. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Take a look at the links in the description to get some great resources I personally use. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.